Hi, my name's Stephen. I'm from Northern Virginia. I work for the federal government. I first learned about full conceal from watching a SHOT Show video in 2018. Really liked the ideas that the full conceal brought, having a full-size pistol with more capacity than what I currently had in my everyday concealed carry, which was an FNH FNS 9C. I like the compactness of it. I like that it is the shape of a cell phone when locked down, and easy deployment into a pistol with a smooth, crisp trigger pull. It fits my everyday needs just perfectly. I'm able to conceal this either in my back pocket, my front pocket. If I'm wearing cargo shorts, it can go in my cargo pocket, and nobody knows that I have a full concealed pistol ready to go with 22 rounds to protect myself and my family. It helps me with my everyday carry. I no longer have to worry about whether I'm going to do inside the waistband, outside the waistband, what am I wearing, can people see that I'm carrying. I'm able to conceal this on my body at all times and nobody knows I have it, which helps me in safeguarding my life, my family's life, whenever there would be danger that would come. Some of the things that I really like about the full conceal is the customer service. No matter when I've had a question, had an issue, needed a part because I've done something, I've given them a call. They're quick to answer the phones, quick to get back to emails, send me out whatever I've asked for, whatever I needed. I did purchase a full conceal outside the waistband holster for the M3D. I did modify it to add a paddle holster on the back instead of the regular clip that comes with it. This serves me good here as we get to the fall and winter, and I'll be able to carry this outside the waistband as also putting this in my pocket whenever I want to fully conceal it. I've recommended full conceal to multiple people that I work with, multiple friends who are looking for something that's compact in the Glock arena. This pistol that full conceal offers meets all my needs, and it meets other. I would believe it's going to meet your needs as well, for being compact but quick for deployment. The machining, everything on here is solid, well made. You're not going to have any issues. It's Glock platform, but all the work that full conceal does is top notch, high quality. No complaints. I have modified, put some modifications in an extended slide release. I've also done the extended slide holder from Lone Wolf. So I plan to, have some work done on the slide, as well as adding a threaded barrel for when I can get a suppressor to add onto the end of it. But so far, really like the full conceal. Looking at getting an M3S for my wife so that she can conceal carry the Glock 43 in her purse or in her pocket when she's out doing her job as a home health nurse, just so that she has that added protection, or to have that protection with her when I'm not around. You won't go wrong with full concealed pistol. Highly recommend it. Anybody's looking for something that gives you maximum carry capacity in a slim profile that's easily concealable on your body, take a look at full conceal. Really excited to see some of the new products that they're coming out with, especially the Roni that they're coming out that will fit the M3D. I think that's going to make this platform even that much better for concealment and carrying that when you're out hiking or backpacking or whatever you want to do, and you'll have that additional capacity there to have 22 plus rounds, 30 plus rounds in a small, slim platform. So highly recommend Full Conceal. Check them out, fullconceal.com. Any comments, questions, give them a shout out. They're really quick to get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.